Good morning everybody. Myself Vishwendra, I am the founder of Optimal Success Trajectory. Let's discuss today about one important concept, which is stress. So stress is basically force per unit area, and it is of three types: longitudinal stress, tangential stress, and the volumetric stress. It has got the dimensions as m1 l-1 t-2, SI unit Newton per meter square, CGS unit Dyne per centimeter square. So stress is basically the value of force per unit area. It is a scalar quantity, and it is used to measure the quality of a material. There is a term called as breaking stress, which is capacity of a body to bear maximum stress. So it's used in architecture. The more the breaking stress, more higher building you can put on that soil. So let's discuss things into the right perspectives. So we do have stress. It is a scalar quantity. Its SI unit is kg meter -1 second -2, and this is equivalent to Newton per meter square. The dimensional formula of stress is m1 l-1 t-2. It has got CGS unit as gram centimeter -1 second -2 or Dyne per centimeter square, and it is defined as force per unit area. Now breaking stress is related to the quality of material of a substance, as I already discussed. Height of a building uses the idea of breaking stress, as I already discussed with you. So these are some of the parameters concerned with stress. Let's look for the types in a systematic way. So it is basically of three types. The first is longitudinal stress. So longitudinal means the force perpendicular to the surface area. You can see that suppose there is a surface PQRS. So this is perpendicular component of force, and this is total area is A. So the longitudinal stress is the ratio of magnitude of perpendicular force divided by area. Similarly, for tangential force, suppose this is the surface, this PQRS, and the force acting parallel to the surface has a magnitude F parallel. So tangential stress is defined as F parallel divided by A, where A is the area. Now volumetric stress, suppose you apply force on a sphere and over a very small element of area dA, the normal force is dF. So the ratio of dF and dA is defined as the volumetric stress or the pressure. So one more thing, our skin is more sensitive to stress rather than the force. That's why if equal force is applied by a thick rod and a thin needle, then thin needle will pinch you more, because our body is more sensitive to stress. So I hope you understood the things, and I have started this because when you try to solve a question, the information must be stored in your mind in a sequential and systematic way. To the point, information should be learned. So by this is called as spider knots, and the benefit is that you know things in steps in terms of interconnected things. And once you have remembered this table, this is spider knot, then you can solve your questions easily. It's much more easy to remember, to learn, and to retrieve that when you are solving your problems. So try adopting to this spider knots method so that you can quickly retrieve the data from your mind. Thank you and have a nice day.